Hello everyone, welcome back to our mindfulness sessions. Thanks to some of my students who asked me to do another mindfulness session in this summer vacation. So here we are. Get ready, sit straight in a chair or on a cushion, hands on your knees. Take a good look at this picture and then close your eyes and let's begin. Imagine you're sitting next to this waterfall, feeling those cool droplets on your body. And with your eyes closed, just focus on your gentle breathing. And I'll share something with you today. Waterfall relaxation. A beautiful waterfall of white light is flowing down on you. It flows down on your head, helping your head to relax. You feel your head relaxing. The waterfall of light moves down over your neck and shoulders. Your neck and shoulders are relaxing and letting go of all the tension and stress they carry. Now the waterfall flows down over your arms. You feel your arms releasing, relaxing. There's nothing for your arms and hands to do except for resting. The waterfall flows on your back. Your back is letting go and relaxing. The waterfall flows over your chest and stomach, helping your chest and stomach to release. You can feel your chest and stomach relax and letting go of all the anger, hurt, and sadness. The waterfall moves down over your legs and feet. You feel your legs and feet letting go and resting completely. The beautiful waterfall of white light is flowing over your whole body. You are very peaceful and healed. Just stay in the waterfall of light for a few more moments and feel how it relaxes and heals your body and mind. Try to keep your thoughts aside for some time and just enjoy this waterfall with your mind and body. Try to focus your mind just on gentle breathing. Don't force your breath to go faster or slower. Just be gentle and observe your breathing. Whenever you are ready, move your body a little bit. Move your hands, shake your legs, and slowly open your eyes. Thank you. I'm sure you enjoyed this cool and short relaxation under the waterfall. Thank you.